Want to know how to change the resolution scale of your game in Paladins? So resolution scale basically means how much your game seems pixelated. So it just depends on how much you change the settings. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how it works and how you can change it. So make sure you have your Paladins game opened up, and once you've done that, it should be in this main menu right here. And on the top right side, you should be seeing something known as the gear icon. So you can just simply select it. This is where you change your resolution. So make sure you're under video, and once you're under video, you can just simply start to find resolution scale. That should be right above, right here, right below screen type. So you can just simply change it. So changing to the left basically makes it more pixelated, and changing to the right makes it more sharp. If you mix it with anti-aliasing, it should be more sharper and better quality. But if you want performance, I recommend going it low and off. Simply select apply, and you should be good to go. And it should look something like this right here. So once the hero loads, as you can see, our character looks something like this. This is the resolution scale. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.